Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. If you're searching for the best setup videos, then subscribe our YouTube channel. This channel provides you the easy and quick setup videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Vanin EC4 Wi-Fi extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the TP-Link extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So let's start the setup process. In the first step, plug the Vanin EC4 into a power socket near your router. Turn it on if it has a power switch. Wait 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes stable. This means the extender is fully powered and ready for setup. Locate the WPS button on your router. It may be labeled WPS, Wi-Fi, or have a circle symbol. Press and hold the WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. Release the button. The router's WPS light will start blinking. Blinking indicates the router is searching for a WPS device. You now have about 2 minutes to complete the next step. Find the WPS button on the Vanin EC4. Press and hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. The extender's WPS or signal LED will begin blinking. This means the extender is trying to connect to the router. Do not unplug or press any buttons. Wait 30 seconds to 2 minutes. The extender will automatically detect your Wi-Fi network, copy router security settings, or connect to your router. When setup is successful, the extender's Wi-Fi signal LED becomes solid or blinking stops. LED may show green or white, meaning strong signal. This confirms your extender is now connected. On your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings. Look for a new Wi-Fi network such as your Wi-Fi name_ext or Vanin EC4. Connect to it using the same password as your main router. After successful setup, unplug the extender. Move it to a location halfway between router and weak signal area. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry, contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will solve your problems as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tunnel for such as more updates.